This quick video will show you how you can delete your Wix website on phone. So what you need to do is download the Wix app, and I'm sure you're probably familiar with that. So just go ahead and open the Wix app. Now once you're here, you now need to find the website that you want to delete. Now to do that, if you go to your dashboard, which you should be on already, if you go to the top of the screen, you should see a downwards arrow, and that will take you to the site list. Now what you can do when you're on the site list is choose a website. Now you can't delete the current website you're on, so let's say here I want to delete my site too. So I will click on another website which isn't my site too. I need another website selected because if I select my site too, I can't delete it. Now once I've selected another website, I can go to the three dots in the top right hand corner, click on this button and click on Edit Site List. Now we can see all of our websites except from the one that we're on. That's why obviously you need to select a different one. We're going to delete my site too, so click on the three dots, then click on Move to Trash. You can see that it will be then unpublished and no longer available. Move to Trash, and there you go. That's how you can delete your Wix website on mobile.